Hey guys, Dr. Sage here from my office, Elevate Chiropractic in Rancho Cucamonga, known as one of the best chiropractic clinics in the nation. I'm What are you guys looking at me for? I'm currently known as the Gary Vee of our generation. I'm currently known as the...
You can't say that.
Why?
It's not right.
Jessica, I'm just doing a promo for the office. Relax, okay? Everyone knows I am.
It's not true.
It's true. It's true. So mean. Anyways, I was gonna say I come here at 6 a.m., get the office ready. Nobody's here when I'm here.